Welcome back for another episode of Eastbound and Wild. We would like to express our gratitude to all our new followers that have subscribed. Our little community is growing, and this is what keeps us going. We enjoyed our stay in the Bavianskloof. It was a great start to find our rhythm in the wild. As a general rule of thumb, we have found that when nature starts claiming back your truck, it's time to make tracks. We shook off the spider webs and bid farewell to our camp. It was time to continue pulling the thread of Eastbound and Wild. Ahead of us lie the magnificent Holgat and Combrinks passes and act as a portal to the eastern side of the Baviaans Kloof. They traverse some spectacular terrain with beautiful views overlooking the Baviaans Kloof. In sections, the road narrows to a single lane with death-defying unguarded drop-offs. Definitely not for the faint-hearted. We both cherish to be free and wild, a feeling mostly relegated to the backwaters of a distant childhood memory. Freedom intertwined with raw emotion is our soul tonic, and a precious oasis in the desert of routine. If you enjoy our content, please consider hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell. It costs you nothing, but you'll be supporting the algorithm. Thank you so much.
What
did you give us now?
It's just for you to keep it in the seat.
Oh, I'll get the receipt.
Yep, it's day 6 and we have left the Baviaans Kloof. We spent the last 3 nights at Klip, which was amazing, so tranquil and picturesque and lush and green and rich with nature and vegetation. Dense
with nature.
Lots of birds and
Insects, spiders. As we awaken on the rugged wild coast with thundering waves crashing against the rocks, the morning is infused with the freshness of a sea breeze and ocean spray. It's time to get the coffee on the brew. Each crushing wave is met with the sudden resistance of the jagged rocks. It is this relentless force of dissipated energy bridging the realms of land and sea, sustaining an abundance of life in its delicate balance. This intertidal zone will be our spot for the next few days.
Very wild. You got a feather in your cap.
Feather in my cap. Sun is bright.
Yeah, but
you know the feather?
Yeah.
I did absolutely nothing for it except pick it up.
looks like it came fresh off an owl's bum.
Yeah, well, it was preening. My lucky day. How's that swim?
Amazing. Like, tiny bit chilly when you get in, but then it's not like Cape Town.
Wat is dit? Gebruik die tande man.
Gebruik die tande man. My broer se tandarts, hy sal dit regmaak.
Is that your setup?
To start,
Yeah. Should we see what fish you can go catch? We all have a fishing story to tell, and this is ours. We can't make claim to catching the biggest fish or even the smallest, but this is our attempt at catching one nevertheless. Since the pressure was on after substantial investment at the tackle shop, we climbed the rocks and found the perfect spot on a precarious rocky ledge. We both cast deep into the ocean and started to reel in the lure. Of course, we should have known by just looking around at the surrounding rocks that our fishing expedition would be scuppered. As our skin roasted in the blazing sun, our sinkers snagged on the rocks on every cast. So here we are on record on YouTube for not catching a single fish, not even a chance of a nibble. The fish are laughing. And although there is nothing fishy about our story, the day ended with a beautiful sunset. And remember, if you like this channel, what do you have to do?
You have to like and
Subscribe.
please.
Please.
We value your
Support.
subscriptions. And
We feel the
support.
love, and it's a free way to support us.